Jai Gurudev, esteemed parents, beloved students, and my dear colleagues. On behalf of each and everyone present here, it is with great honor and privilege that I, Vidya Krishnan, extend a warm welcome to Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji, Honorable Chairman, Maharishi Vidya Mandir Schools Group, to our annual Sports, Cultural and Silver Jubilee celebrations. Our Honorable Chairman Ji's presence amongst us today as the chief guest is truly inspiring, and we are deeply grateful for his gracious participation at this special event. Jai Gurudev, sir. Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji is renowned for his invaluable contributions to the fields of education and spirituality. As a distinguished scholar and a revered spiritual leader, his guidance has enlightened countless individuals, and his teachings continue to motivate us to strive for excellence in every aspect of life. His presence here today not only adds immense prestige to our annual sports, cultural and silver jubilee celebrations, but also serves as a source of inspiration and encouragement for our students to pursue knowledge with dedication and integrity. His guiding force is the key takeaway to the success of 150 plus Maharishi Vidya Mandir schools in India, besides a host of other institutions affiliated to Maharishi Shiksha Sansthan. Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji was blessed by the divine vision of His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji at the tender age of 2, and thereafter he joined as his disciple full-time in Holland at the age of 23 years. He spent his life serving Maharishi Ji till His Holiness attained Brahman consciousness. Under the guidance of His Holiness Maharishi Ji, he gained Vedic knowledge with a traditional system of transfer of eternal knowledge in the Guru Shishya Parampara, and at the same time received rigorous training in various fields: global and general administration, science and technology, finance, architecture, various fields of engineering, trade and commerce, supreme political science, law, religion and culture, music and arts, and many other disciplines. He started practicing transcendental meditation at the age of 9. Later, His Holiness Maharishi Ji himself initiated him into the TM Siddhi program and a number of other advanced techniques. He got actively involved with the Maharishi organization from a very young age. At the age of 16 years, he gave transcendental meditation introductory lectures and has organized initiation of over 7,000 school students and teachers at Jabalpur. He practiced law in the District Court of Jabalpur and High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur. In the year 1980, he received advanced knowledge in the field of consciousness by staying with His Holiness Maharishi Ji at Shankaracharya Nagar, Rishikesh. In the year 1983, he joined Maharishi Ji's global movement and dedicated 25 years to the lotus feet of his master, His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji, till 2008. Before His Holiness Maharishi Ji attained lotus feet of his Gurudev in the year 2008, he ordained Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji to lead the transcendental movement in India and many projects in the world. Dr. Girish Ji has traveled widely across the world and has been instrumental in organizing transcendental meditation and TM Siddhi programs to millions of his followers. In the year 2001, he hosted a large international delegation from 40 countries at Mahakumbh at Tirthraj, Prayag. In the year 2013, he was instrumental in organizing the inauguration of Maharishi Smarak during Mahakumbh at Prayag, where 1,200 international guests from 62 countries had participated. He has been instrumental in establishing and administering transcendental meditation centers, Ayurvedic clinics, Gandharva music schools, educational institutions, colleges and universities, and a Jyotish and Sthapatya Veda consultancy. Some of the institutions which Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji is associated with passionately are Chancellor Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Vedic Vishwavidyalaya, Madhya Pradesh; Chancellor Maharishi University of Management and Technology, Chhattisgarh; President Maharishi World Peace Movement; President Maharishi Institutes of Management Group; Director General Maharishi Global Capital of World Peace, Brahmasthan of India; Director General Maharishi World Capital of Ramarajya; Director General Maharishi World Center of Gandharva Veda Music; Prime Minister Maharishi Vedic Vishwa Prashasan; Prime Minister Maharishi Global Administration through Natural Law; Chairman Maharishi Vidya Mandir Schools Group; Chairman Maharishi Kids Home Group. Jai Gurudev, sir. I humbly request you to share a few pearls of wisdom with us.
Jai Gurudev. I didn't hear anything from you. All of you have to say Jai Gurudev. Jai Maharishi.
Jai Maharishi.
It's a great joy today to be here to celebrate with all of you 25th year of Maharishi Vidya Mandir School, Hyderabad. Great congratulations to Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Hyderabad, the principal, Mrs. Vasanti Parashuramanji, all respected teachers, staff members, and I always say my very dear students, their parents and their friends. I came here today with some of my colleagues, Shri Yatish Saxena ji, Shri Manish Sinha ji, Shri Ramdev ji, Srimati Arya Nandkumar ji, and Shri Dheeraj Dwivedi ji. First of all, I would like to tell you that how lucky you are that your parents have selected Maharishi Vidya Mandir for your education. Before I continue, I would suggest all the NCC cadets and dear students can sit here if they want to sit, and those who want to go to their assigned places may proceed and sit comfortably. Don't have to stand in sun here. So it's your choice to be here sitting or go to your assigned places. But be comfortable, don't have to stand. I feel very proud and I get a lot of energy when I see all my dear students. As you are participating here as NCC cadets or participating in sports or participating in cultural performances, you will be happy to know I was one of the most active students when I was a student. Generally, students choose one or two fields. But I was lucky and I thank my teachers of that time, those who have inspired me, guided me to attend and join so many activities. I was NCC cadet. I have completed my C certificate in NCC. I have done thousands of cultural performances, singing, playing harmonium, playing guitar, playing flute, playing tabla, playing dholak, harmonium, so many instruments. I don't play anything anymore, I play only the clapping now when you perform. I have been in NSS, I have been in Scout, I have been in social service of different students, schools and university system. And I want to tell you, I want to share from where I got these opportunities. I got these opportunities because from the age of 9, His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji has guided me and arranged for me to learn transcendental meditation. And since the age of 9, I have been practicing it continuously. That is the energy. You study 16 principles of science of creative intelligence. And one of the most important principle is water the root to enjoy the fruit. Lord Krishna has said in Gita, Yogastha Kuru Karmani, being established in yoga, in transcendental consciousness, in unified field, in transcendental consciousness, in Atma, in Atma Chetana. From there you perform, which is the source of all performances. We always say that your teachers have done great job. They have worked so hard so that school gets so many achievements. But I want to remind everyone, ours is an organization, nobody has to work hard. They all have to transcend. They all have to practice every day transcendental meditation, TM Siddhi program, yogic flying, and perform being established in deep source of thoughts, consciousness, and then you achieve everything without doing much. That is our secret. That is the formula we have received from Maharishi Ji, our holy tradition of masters. I know all of you want to become doctors. You want to become software engineer. You want to become army officers. You want to go to police. You want to become IPS. You want to become IAS. You want to become district collector or commissioner, or you want to go to politics. It's very good. Leaders are required in every field. But there is one field which governs all these fields. And that field is global leadership. Global leadership. And I invite all my dear students to come and join me to become global leaders. His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji has trained me to be a global leader. And I want this legacy to continue. after me or some others who got trained by Maharishi Ji will not be there in few years. So as young leaders, you are all welcomed. After your school graduation, you can come to me and I'll provide you the training, education of undergraduate programs, PG program, PhD program, DLET, and everything you need in your life, all education, all training of global leadership, I will provide you, the organization will provide you, and that too without any charge, no fee to pay. We will take care of all your education, your clothing, your stationery, your books, your health system, and will pay you very handsome scholarship and will provide you the appointment letter to be global leaders the day you join this World Leadership, Global Leadership Program. So you're all most welcome to be very happy in your life, full of comfort, full of perfect health, full of abundance of wealth, not only in the field of money, the finance, but any and every kind of wealth you could have in your life. That is what available in Maharishi organization with the divine blessings of Maharishi Ji and great grace of Shri Gurudev Swami Brahmananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj. So again, congratulations to all of you, and I am sitting here to watch all your performance, remember my old days, get energized with your performance, and then go back with full energy and do much more what I am doing today for you and through you for the whole world. So thanks again, the Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad, Mrs. Parshuraman and all of you for inviting me, and great to see all the parents sitting here, all the dignitaries sitting here from the city, and also my dear principals came for other schools, and I wish they all celebrate like this in their school and maybe invite me to join you and get more energy and inspiration. So all my dear students and family, thank you very much. All the best wishes for all time to come in your life. Jai Guru Dev. Jai Maharishi. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words of wisdom and inspiration will undoubtedly enrich our annual sports, cultural, and Silver Jubilee celebrations. We are immensely grateful for your presence and look forward to carrying the essence of your teachings in our journey ahead. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. I now hand it over to our immensely talented students to take the much-awaited program forward.
Of color and cheer, fun and freedom, love and hope, joy and contentment. So what are we waiting for? Let's fill the air with balloons of happiness, butterflies of dreams, and bouquets of celebration. Dance your hearts out, express your feelings, sing your songs, and let the cheer erupt in gay abandon. We now invite our esteemed chief guest, Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji, and our beloved Principal Ma'am, Srimati Vasanti Parasuraman, to release the balloons to mark the expression of all these sentiments. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Standard is attention.
With the excitement pulsing all around, we are thrilled to present one of the most anticipated events of the year, Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad's grand annual sports, cultural and silver jubilee celebrations. We request our chief guest, Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji, to declare the sports and cultural meet open. So we humbly request you to come to the podium.
I have been ordered to declare the celebration open. So we now declare the sports meet open. Jai Gurudev. And there is the oath. I would request Mrs. Parshuraman to please read it.
Thank you, sir.
Stretch your hands.
I once again cordially invite our chief guest, Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji, podium, and our principal ma'am to the podium to lead us in the oath. Today, our athletes will take an oath, pledging to compete with honor, respect their fellow competitors, and uphold the true spirit of sports. This is a moment not only of individual commitment, but also of collective responsibility as we celebrate fair play and camaraderie. I request all of you to please stand and raise your right hand as we prepare to take the oaths together.
We swear that we shall take part in Maharishi Vidya Mandir's tournaments, competitions, championships in a loyal manner, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and desire to participate in them in true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our country and glory of sports. All the best. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, ma'am, for leading us in the oath. Today, as we celebrate 25 illustrious years of Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad, the entire MVM Hyderabad family has come together to present a grand program that showcases not
Attention.
only the cultural but also the sporting prowess of our immensely talented students. To mark this 25-year milestone, we begin the day's cultural and sporting events with the ceremonial lighting of the torch. We request our honorable chief guest, Brahmachari Dr. Girish Ji, and our respected principal ma'am, Srimati Vasanti Parasuraman, to do the honors by handing the torch over to our school sports captain boys, Veeravalli Jayadev, and sports captain girls, Lalita Sahasra Mutyam. To our distinguished dignitaries and principal ma'am, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude and humbly request them to take their seats amongst the audience to be able to witness the run-up to the lighting of the torch that marks the beginning of today's events. We have a wonderful lineup of cultural and performances and exciting sports events prepared for everyone to enjoy. I once again would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our dignitaries
Athlete,
and
go to your
principal
places.
ma'am and humbly
Get ready.
request them to take their seats amongst the audience
torch
to be able
bearers.
to witness the run-up to the lighting of
Torch
the torch.
bearers, get ready. Athlete, achievement athletes, be ready.
हमारे स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन वीरवली जयदेव ज्ञान, शक्ति और एकता की लौ की प्रतीक मशाल लेकर आगे बढ़ते हैं। आइए हम सभी समर्पण और उत्कृष्टता की भावना से प्रेरित हो जो महर्षि विद्या मंदिर हैदराबाद के प्रत्येक छात्र के भीतर जलती है।
Jaydev now passes the torch on to school sports captain girls Lalita Sahasramutyam.
इसके बाद मशाल हमारे स्कूल के हेड बॉय टी कृष्ण प्रेम कुमार को सौंप दी गई।
And now the honor of taking over the torch goes to our school head girl Sukriti Ravi.
हेड गर्ल ने मशाल हमारे सीसीए कैप्टन बॉयज शिव सुंदर वासन को सौंपी।
And now it is with great pride that we pass the torch to our CCA captain girls Geetanjali Vemuri.
यह बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हम अपने साहित्यिक कप्तान सोहन साहा को मशाल सौंपते हैं।
We are delighted to pass the torch to our literary captain girls Payal Gupta.
हमें अपने डेप्यूटी हेड बॉय के सिद्धांत को मशाल सौंपने पर गर्व है।
It gives us great pleasure to pass the torch to our deputy head girl Blessy Khatri.
अब बहुत उत्साह के साथ हम अपने स्पोर्ट्स वाइस कैप्टन बॉयज जयेश जोगी को मशाल सौंपते हैं।
It is with immense pride that we pass the torch to our sports vice captain girls Meghana Reddy.
जैसे जैसे हम अपने समारोह में आगे बढ़ते हैं, अब हम प्रतिष्ठित आश्रम कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन का सम्मान करते हैं जो स्कूल की भावना और एकता को बढ़ावा देने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। हम यह प्रक्रिया नारायण आश्रम के कप्तान तरन CH से शुरू करते हैं।
We now have the distinct honor of passing the torch to the captains of Vashisht Ashram, Sanjeev Jataprolu and Ishita Agarwal.
इसके बाद हमें पराशर आश्रम के कप्तानों चल्ला श्रीराम सुजय और आराध्या दास को मशाल सौंपते हुए खुशी हो रही है।
We are privileged to pass the torch to the captains of Vyas Ashram, Akhil Velagaleti and Tanmay Nishant.
यह बड़े गर्व की बात है कि हम अपने सम्मानित आश्रम वाइस कैप्टनों को मशाल स्वीकार करते हुए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले हम नारायण आश्रम के वाइस कैप्टन्स सिद्धार्था पेरावली और द्युति NP का सम्मान करते हैं।
With great pride, we pass the torch to the vice captains of Vashisht Ashram, K. Jahnavi.
यह बेहद गर्व की बात है कि हम पराशर आश्रम के उपकप्तान मणि गौतम और षण्मुखा प्रिया को मशाल सौंपते हैं।
It is with deep pride that we pass the torch to the vice captains of Vyas Ashram, MVRS Anish and Srija Krishnan.
अब वह क्षण आ गया है जब हमारे खेल के चैंपियन टॉर्च को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। आदित्य देशमुख जो एक SFA एथलीट है, इस टॉर्च को लेकर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं।
We now witness the torch being passed on to Aryan Biradar, a state cricket player.
अब मशाल हाथ में थामे आगे बढ़ रही है हमारी खेल चैंपियन काव्या, जो राज्य स्तर की ताइक्वांडो खिलाड़ी है।
राज्य स्तरीय चैंपियन बी संहिता मशाल को थामे
NCC
आगे बढ़
cadets,
रही
please
हैं।
vacate the ground. Vacate the track, NCC cadets.
Now
Vacate
is
the
the
track.
turn of Y. Deepesh Patro, a state and national karate champion, to receive the torch. R. Kartikeya, a triathlon and aquathlon national level GSA athlete, now takes the torch.
मशाल प्रज्वलित करने की दौड़ में हमारे खेल उपलब्धिकर्ता कशिका कर्णम, रामानुजम अगस्त्या, तिरुमला रेड्डी, अभिनव रेड्डी, जी ऋषि, निकिता श्री और डी साई सानवी भी शामिल हैं।
Here they are at the hallowed spot. The final runner, Veeravalli Joshita, a national level archery champion, our school's pride, will do the honors of lighting the torch. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Behold, the lighting of the Olympic torch, which will begin the spirit of competition and sportsmanship that we will carry with us throughout today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the flame is ablaze and our annual sports, cultural and silver jubilee celebrations have officially begun. Let this flame inspire us all to give our best, to challenge ourselves and to embrace the spirit of fair play, sportsmanship and unity. Today is about more than just the events and the races. It is about participation, growth and celebration of the incredible potential within each and every one of us. Let the games begin and may we all aim high just as this flame shines high above us. We request the respective houses to march back to the pavilion.
Our young kindergarteners from nursery, LKG and UKG have prepared something very special to share with you. The Kanjira dance. Perfecting those steps is no child's play. But as they match their movements to the hypnotic Arabian music, watch as they transform the stadium into golden Arabian dunes. Their colorful gypsy costumes bringing the desert to life. And that's not all. Even as you get lost in those enchanting dunes, our ever so energetic nursery, LKG and UKG tiny tots will have you dancing along and waving your hands to some lively techno beats. Their boundless enthusiasm and joy will keep you captivated throughout. Dear parents, let us welcome and encourage our little angels by tapping our feet and clapping our hands with them.
Four, three, two, one.
That was absolutely endearing. Let's give a big round of applause to our talented nursery, LKG and UKG students for their incredible performance of the Kanjira dance. Their energy and enthusiasm are truly contagious. Thank you. Dear parents, we have an important announcement for you. Please note that a video link of the entire event will be shared with each and every one of you. So we humbly request all of you to sit back and enjoy the cultural and sports extravaganza. Also, kindly understand
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि जी, सम्मान्य अतिथिगण, मान्य प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकगण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों, आप सभी को हमारा नमस्कार। आज का यह शुभ अवसर हमारे विद्यालय के सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम का है, जहां हम आपके सामने विभिन्न रंगारंग प्रस्तुतियों का प्रदर्शन करने जा रहे हैं। यह मंच उन प्रतिभाशाली छात्रों के लिए है जिन्होंने कड़ी मेहनत और समर्पण के साथ इन प्रस्तुतियों को तैयार किया है। हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति विविधता और समृद्धि से भरपूर है और आज का यह आयोजन उसी संस्कृति के विभिन्न रंगों का उत्सव मनाने का अवसर है। आज हम यहाँ भारतीय शास्त्रीय नृत्यों की विविधता और उनके समृद्ध इतिहास का अनुभव करने जा रहे हैं। तो लीजिए, पेश है भारत की विभिन्न नृत्य शैलियों के माध्यम से वेलकम डांस।
कुचिपुड़ी आंध्र प्रदेश से। भरतनाट्यम तमिलनाडु से। केरल से। ओडिसी ओडिशा राज्य से। उत्तर भारत से कथक। पेरिनी नृत्य तेलंगाना से। असम से सत्रिया। मणिपुरी मणिपुर से। केरल से कथकली।
Ramesh Yogi ji often spoke about the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. His teachings of transcendental meditation aim to bring about a shift in the collective consciousness, fostering values like love, compassion and mutual respect, which align perfectly with the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This principle also reflects his vision of a world beyond borders, where humanity transcends divisions of race, religion and nationality to live as one cohesive family. Our immensely talented students showcase this very vision of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family in their dance. Watch as their movements flow seamlessly, weaving a tapestry of universal harmony.
जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् गमपनि सा सा नि प म गमपनि सा सा नि प म ग गमपनि सा 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 नि प म गमपनि सा 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 नि प म ग सा 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 गम प म ग सा 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 गम नि प म म म म म म म प नि सा नि प म ग म म म म म म म प नि सा ग सा ग सा ग नि सा नि सा 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 नि सा प नि म प म प म प म प ग म ग सा सा ग म प म प नि सा नि सा ग सा ग म ग सा नि प म ग नि सा प नि म प ग म सा ग नि सा जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् येषामतिशर्मदा सर्वान् प्रति सर्वदा गर्भाद्यति दूरगा भान्ति हृदये दय येषामतिशर्मदा सर्वान् प्रति सर्वदा गर्भाद्यति दूरगा भान्ति हृदये दय तेषाममलात्मनां याता वसुधाम्बतां पितृतां गतमम्बरं जगदेव कुटुम्बकम् समानतां जगतां महतां मुदां हृदये सकलात्मतां स्मरतां चरतां सदा जगतां समानतां जगतां महतां मुदां हृदये सकलात्मतां स्मरतां चरतां सतां सततं शुभकारिणां सततं शुभकारिणां भयशोकनिवारिणां सकलेष्वनुकम्पया जगदेति कुटुम्बता जगदेव कुटुम्बकं वसुधैव कुटुम्बकं 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 जगदेव कुटुम्बकं वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्
parents, we once again cordially invite you all to our school, Maharishi Vidya Mandir Hyderabad's annual sports, cultural and silver jubilee celebrations. We are delighted to have you here and are sure you'll thoroughly enjoy all the events. We thank you for your constant support and encouragement.
प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् शब्दपुष्पैराचरामः शब्दपुष्पैराचरामः श्रीमतामभिनन्दनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् अतिथिदेवा वयं हृदयं सभाजनपात्रं विधाय अतिथिदेवा वयं हृदयं सभाजनपात्रं विधाय प्रीतिकुङ्कुमक्षतैर्भावैः समं तस्मिन् निधाय प्रीतिकुङ्कुमक्षतैर्भावैः समं तस्मिन् निधाय नयनदीपैर्वयं कुर्मो मतिमतां नीराजनम् नयनदीपैर्वयं कुर्मो मतिमतां नीराजनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् वैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् प्रणतिभावैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम् वैर्व्याहरामः स्वागतं शुभवन्दनम्
The sun on the flag of MVM schools holds profound symbolic significance, aligned with the teachings of His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi Ji and the Vedic tradition. The sun symbolizes dissemination of knowledge, dispelling darkness. It aligns with the school's mission to foster intellectual and spiritual growth among students. Dear parents, behold as our students of classes 6 to 11 embody the brilliance of the sun god, a symbol of energy, vitality and light.
धन्यवाद हमारे कक्षा 6ठी से 11वीं के कलाकारों का, जिन्होंने इतनी खूबसूरत प्रस्तुति से हमारे कार्यक्रम में 4 चांद लगा दिए। आशा करते हैं कि आपको यह प्रस्तुति पसंद आई होगी, तो एक बार दिल से तालियां बजाएं। आपके तालियों की गूंज ही इनका असली इनाम है। आज के कार्यक्रम में हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए धन्यवाद। हम सब मिलकर इस सांस्कृतिक यात्रा का आनंद लेते रहेंगे।
स्वागतं सुमस्वागतं घन स्वागतं शुभ स्वागतं सुमस्वागतं स्वागतं शुभ
parents, kindly clear the track as we are gearing up
Madam,
for a
please
track
kindly
event.
vacate the track, madam. We are going to conduct the long jump and running. Madam, please. Parents, move back, madam. Parents, please move back. We are going to conduct the long jump. Please vacate the long jump pit. Sir, please vacate the long jump pit. 9, 10, 11, 12 boys for 100 meter.